What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, man. So, today is not gonna be a sad video, man. It's a good video. You already know, 1961 Chevy Parkwood. We've been having this wagon since 2015. Found it on Chrysler's. It was located in Conroe, and they were asking $2 grand for it. Sitting underneath a tree, man. I was able to get a good deal on it. I sent a driver out there, pick her up, and she was gonna be my main project. Things changed over the years. We picked up more cars, we picked up more projects. Some of the projects were not this is not gonna be, well, it is a full project, but what I wanted to do, the way that I wanted to do it, it was gonna cost me about 25 to 30 grand. But anyways, that's why I was pushing it to the back. And I've been buying parts for it. We're gonna do a layout of the parts that we got. So more projects, man. You already know we're working on the 75 glass house. Engine is up and running. I just gotta put the new temperature gauge, and the sending unit for the electric fans got messed up. I'm replacing that, and we're good to go, man. So right after that, we got the 66, man. We gotta do the brake conversion. We gotta do suspension. So it's a project on top of another project on top of another project, man. So finally decided what we're gonna do with this wagon. Y'all already know, if you follow my boy Los, he does his live every Wednesday. So man, this Wednesday, I decided that it was finally time to let her go. And I didn't sell it. I gave it to him, man. I gave him the wagon. That way he can get more content for the channel. I love whenever he's putting things back together. I love this wagon. I know what he wanted to do. He wanted to do the same thing that I wanted to do to it. Well, not fully extend that I wanted to do, but he's gonna get her running, man. Today, it's Friday. As you can tell, I got a bunch of mess on the trailer, so I gotta clean up the trailer. I gotta put all the parts together and take it to the shop, man. He said that he's gonna be working on her in the next couple of months. He's working on his 75 convertible. So, I'm giving him another project. I know what it's gonna look like. Well, I picture in my head what it's gonna look like. So, man, if he's my brother and I'm always around him, I know I'm gonna be around her too. So, after he works on her, hopefully he can let me borrow and take it for a drive from time to time. So, here we goes, man. This is what we're gonna be working on today. So let me keep on going. You know what? Before I even start working, let me give you a layout of where she's been sitting for the past 3 years, man. Let's go. So, man, she was in the garage, but then I started putting the wagon and the glass house inside the garage. So as you can tell, we got parts right here. We got a couple of pieces of trim that we got. We got the bumpers, front and back bumpers. Man, I just got a junk everywhere. I gotta do a layout to see what I have on parts. As you can tell, we got more parts inside. I was worried about this car, but you know what? Before I even say anything, let me lay it out and see if we do have what I think we have. But anyways, man, he's gonna hurt me, man. It's gonna hurt me, but she's going to a new, good home. I know he's gonna do something with her, and he's gonna give us time to move on to the next projects. So let me clean up this trailer real quick and start getting all these parts out to see what we have. Damn it, boy. Hey, man. I know I got a big old hat on, but man, that sun is beaming. Texas heat, hell no. But I'm finding a lot of goodies, man, and let me show you what we got so far. So since I'm by myself, I'm not gonna open up the hood, man, but it does got a 350 engine and transmission. We stopped because it gotta be the transmission is not fitting, so it gotta be tub. So the reason why I don't want to open this is because the hood is not on the hinges, and it's a pain in the ass to put the hood and push the hinges down. So I'm gonna have to strap up the hood so it won't open up on the road. But let me show you what we got. So we got the front and back bumper. Don't ask me which one is which one, because I don't know. But we also got all the bolts right there, brand new bolts, 4 defenders, hinges, bumpers, everything brand new. We had to move the wagon to the front so we can check the parts. Let me show you the inside real quick. Pow pow. Talking about Flintstones. No floors, man. Man, I'm not gonna lie, man. I love this wagon. I really do. But man, I need to sit here on the road. And we got the back seat. Back seat is not that bad. All OG. Again, no floors. Check out the panels. Pow pow. Again, this wagon was sitting on the field. Well, when I saw it on Craigslist. Man, let me go to the goodies. We got the gas tank. Here it goes. Brand new gas tank. We got the radiator. Brand new. But check this out, man. I forgot I was trying to go kind of build it on this setup. So this is the brake booster. This is the master cylinder. The pulleys that I had, all chromes, they went to my 75. I would say it's, you know, taking parts out of this car for my other cars. No bueno, but he can use this right here, man. This one came out of a 91 or 92 Cadillac. Can't remember. This is the serpentine belt conversion. So he can do that if he wants to. I might have an alternator. I'm not sure. I got to check in the front. I've been just pulling everything out of the back. So you can tell the 2 outside lights are missing. One of the lenses is broke. But we got them right here. We got both of them with the housing. And then we got the lenses to replace the one that is broke. Also, we got some replacement lenses for these ones. So when I first bought the lenses, I couldn't find the housing. I went to a swap meet in Conroe. Actually, it was last year. And I found these ones right here. I think I got them pretty cheap, man. I think it was like $50 for both of them. This is the harness kit for this wagon, 1961. Poo-poo, 61 to 64 Chevy Impala. This Parkwood wagon, the same thing. So the harness is gonna be good. This is where the lights were at. So man, what do you think? I think it's gonna be a good project. I'm not lying. I'm gonna tell you right now. Hopefully he watches this video. I do got this right here. It took me forever to find it, about a year and a half to find it. I only found one. Super clean. I'm not gonna give it to him. I'm gonna keep it in my garage, man. So fuck you. Look for him. I found him on eBay. I think it was like, just this little piece, I think it was like 150, 175, something like that. So this is the passenger side, man. Well, boom, seats. Not bad for a 61. Look at this. I didn't know one thing that homie Impala Mike told me. Apparently this was electrical, the window. So this is the back. Again, we do have some rust issues, but I didn't care. I was just gonna bolt up the frame. I mean the bumpers, clean up the frame, make everything good, and ride it like that, man. So that was my thing. On the floors, my idea was just do license plates. Put license plates. You know, use the rivet gun, rivet everything. Look, it looks like they were patching them already before. I didn't even see this before. So check this out. Boo-boo ass patching, but it worked though. And that's probably what I'm gonna do. Well, not anymore, but that's what he's gonna do with the license plates. So we got all brand new 4 tires. Oh man, you know what we're missing? The airbag kit, man. I think we got him inside. Oh, let me give you a little update what we got going on, man. Watch this. Oh, I haven't dropped anything yet. I should be. The only thing missing, man, is too easy, man. Temperature gauge and this sensor went out. So this descending unit for electric fans went out. So I gotta replace it. I got it already. But what do y'all think, man? What do y'all think? Y'all wanna see something sick? Woo! Are y'all ready? Look, check this out. We're gonna do this one time. Then when I come over here, let me take off this big old hat. Don't let me down, baby. Oh, man. What do you think, man? What do you think? Isn't she sexy? Man, I'm excited. She's getting dusty. I haven't even pulled her out yet. But here we are, man. She's alive. Just a little taste. Let's turn it off real quick. Temperature gauge is not working. So I know it's not gonna overheat right now. This was too quick. But she's alive, man. She's alive. Alright, man, let me go get these brackets for these airbags so I can show you what I got. Whoo, man. When I tell you I got projects, man. This is supposed to be the warehouse for work, but we got the 66 inside. Here we go. So we got the brackets. These are gonna be 4061, both of them brackets already. We got the backs, we got some lines. Hopefully he switched this one. He came in with a 3/8 line. He can use that if he wants. I'd rather use a 1/2 inch. They move a little faster. But again, I'm a car no more. So talking about projects. Let me see. Oh, come on, man. Roll over. Oh, no. So we got the master cylinder. We got the sanding unit for the brakes. So this is why the 66 is not running right now. That's the last thing I gotta do. The brakes are already switched. And the wife is calling. Let me see what's up. There it goes, man. So we still got more projects, man. Again, this is what we got so far. Let me start putting everything back inside the wagon. And let's start getting everything ready so we can drive over there, man. Let's go. Oh, man. You know, before we go, we have to do a little drive around test drive to see how it will move. And it's doing good, man. Gotta fix the straps real quick, but you already know where we're at. We're with the homie Joe. He's working in this 53, man. Y'all go follow him. You know what? Let me see. Joe, many people I know you, but go ahead and introduce yourself, man.
Hey, Joe from J&J Service. Trying to get a 53 pickup made into a tow-mater. At least that's what my buddy calls it.
So what were you doing to it, man?
Got everything all apart. Cap is next once we get the rack free. But now we're sitting down, spraying down, preserving the patina look. As you can see, we already did the bed. We need to hit it one more time and then pressure wash it. It actually came out better than what I thought.
Hey, man, so Joe just opened up his IG, man. I'm telling him that he got to do his YouTube too. That way he can do the process, own everything. The frame that we got at the house is going to this truck, man. He's going to do a new frame, new engine. They go on LS. So it's going to be a badass build, man. That was the plan for this one. But, again, she's gone and, you know, we're trying to come over here and get another patina. So what do you do to the bed, man?
Sprayed it down. We used some chemical I didn't really think would work, but it actually took the dust. It's preserving the look. You got to be careful. Use gloves. Use a mask, or you will pass out. But it actually made it look a whole lot different, which is...
what is it called? What are you using?
CLR.
CLR, huh?
Believe it or not.
Damn.
Somebody put me onto that. I thought it was baloney, but it actually does work.
Okay. So, hey, man, go ahead and plug in your IG. What's your channel?
No channel yet.
No, yeah, the Instagram.
Oh, Instagram. It's a J&J Auto Service 25.
J&J Auto Service, man. I'm going to put his IG at the bottom. Again, we on our way to deliver the 61. We used to stop by real quick to the homie Joe's shop. Trying to went for a test drive. Straps got loose. We repositioned the straps. So anyways, man, I'm gonna get you some more of these built whenever we get more time, man. Hi, man, we're on the way over there, and we had to stop at Bucky's, man, to pump some petrol. And it's like halfway to his place. We're going to his shop. So just came over, check out all the straps, make sure everything is good. We're looking good, but oh man, what y'all think? I'm gonna miss this motherfucker. Let's go. Whoo, damn it, boy. That sun is beaming, man. So, Carlos, my boy Shorty ain't here today. His kid got sick, so he gotta stay home. But here it goes, man. We brought it to the shop. Whoo. One last video. ¿Y si va a correr, Don Gómez? Debe, huh? So, hopefully we'll get her going, man. I'll give you more updates once I start working on her. But here it goes, man. The end of the 61, man. Now it's up to Carlos to get her going. Alright, man. Thank you for watching. Catch me in the next one.